1st, 1989. Dear Diary. I believe there's good in everything. But here we are, first day of senior year. I look around at these kids I've known all my life and wonder what happened.
Slut, burn out, bug eyes, poser, born ass.
We were so tiny, happy and shiny, playing tag and getting chased.
Freak, slut, loser, short bus.
Singing and clapping, laughing and napping, baking cookies, eating paste.
Bull ass, stucco, horseback.
When we got bigger, that was the trigger, like the Huns invading Rome. Move! Sorry! Welcome to my school, this ain't no high school, this is the Thunderdome. Hold your breath and count the days, we're graduating soon.
White trash.
College will be paradise if I'm not dead by June. But I know, I can be beautiful. Change back then, we could change again and be beautiful. Just not today. Hey, are you okay?
Silly nerd. Slut, cripple, polo.
Things will get better soon as my letter comes from Harvard, Duke, or Brown. Away from this coma, take my diploma, then I can blow this down. Dream of ivy-covered walls and smoky French cafes.
Watch this.
Fight the urge to strike a match and set this dump ablaze.
Oops.
Graham Sweeney, 3rd year's linebacker and 8th year of smacking lunch trays and being a huge dick.
What did you say to me, skank?
Nothing. But I know. I can be beautiful. I pray for a better way. We were kind before. We can be kind once more. We can be beautiful. Hey, Martha. Hey. My best friend since diapers. She's got a huge heart. Around here, that's not enough. Thanks.
We on for movie night?
Yeah, you're on Jiffy Copy too.
I rented The Princess Bride.
Again? Don't you have it memorized by now?
What can I say? I'm a sucker for a happy ending.
What if they dump truck?
If you want to lose a few pounds, you need more protein in your diet.
Kurt Kelly, quarterback. He is the smartest guy on the football team. Which is kind of like being the tallest dwarf. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, are you actually talking to me?
Nobody Kurt asked you a question.
What gives you the right to pick on my friend? Look at you, you're a high school has-been waiting to happen. A future gas station attendant.
You gotta sit right there.
Dear Diary.
Why did they hate me? Why did I fight back?
Why do I act like such a creep?
Why would he date me? Why did I wear this?
Why do I cry myself to sleep?
Somebody hug me, somebody fix me, somebody save me, send me a slideshow, give me some hope here, somebody tell it so.
Then there's the Heathers. They float above it all.
I love Heather, Heather, and Heather.
Heather McNamara, head cheerleader. He sells engagement rings. Heather Duke. No discernible personality, but her mom did pay for implants. And Heather Chandler. She is a mythic bitch. The Heathers are solid Teflon. Never bothered, never harassed. I would give anything to be like that.
I'd like to be their boyfriend.
That would be beautiful. hideout for the rats.
Grow up, Heather. Helena is so 87.
Heather, I need a mint.
What you need, Heather, is to see a doctor.
Ah, Heather and Heather. And Heather. Perhaps you didn't hear the bell over all the vomiting. You're late for class.
Heather wasn't feeling well. We're helping her.
Not without a hall pass, you're not. A week's detention.
My parents pay your salary.
Actually,
All four of us are out on a hall pass. Yearbook committee.
I see you're all listed. Hurry up and get where you're going.
this is an excellent forgery. Who are you?
Veronica, Sawyer, I crave a boon.
What boon?
Let me sit at your table at lunch. Just once, no talking necessary. If people think you guys tolerate me, they'll leave me alone. Before you answer, I also do report cards, permission slips, and absence notes.
How about prescriptions?
Shut up, Heather.
Sorry, Heather.
For a greasy little nobody, you do have good bone structure. And a symmetrical face. If I took a meat cleaver down the center of your skull, I'd have matching halves. That's very important.
Of course, you can stand to lose a few pounds.
And you know, this could be beautiful. Miss Sarah, maybe somewhere bus, and we're on our way. Get this girl some blush, and Hannah, I need your brush. Let's make her beautiful. Let's make her beautiful. Let's make her beautiful.
Okay.
I don't like waking. I don't want trouble. You're gonna die at 3 p.m.
Don't you dare touch me, get away from her.
Why did I ever do that?
Who can survive this? I can't escape this. I think I'm dying.
Who's that with Heather? And someone. And our babe.
Veronica!
It's a beautiful prediction.
Dear Diary, it's been 3 weeks since I became friends with the Heathers. Friends isn't the right word exactly. It's more like the Heathers are people I work with, and our job is being popular and shit.
Hey, Veronica.
Hey,
You're looking really beautiful these days.
yeah, well, it's still the same underneath. You sure? Well, listen, I'm sorry I flaked on movie night last week. I've had a lot going on.
I get that. You're with the Heathers now. It's exciting.
It's whatever, but we'll hang soon, I promise.
Veronica! Heather requires your presence.
Now,
How very.
Veronica, I did a forgery written in Ram Sweeney's handwriting. You'll need something to write on. Heather, bend over. Hey, beautiful. I've been watching you and thinking about us in the old days. I hope you can come to my homecoming party this weekend. I miss you.
Ram. XO after the signature.
What's this for, anyway?
You remember how Ram used to hang with Martha Dump Truck?
Well, yeah, in kindergarten, we all did.
We all did kiss on the kickball field.
Oh my god, that's right, I totally forgot. Ram is Martha Dump Truck. It was disgusting. Perfect. Ram!
What do you think Heather wants?
Buddy. Hell yeah, punch it in.
Be sweet and give this note to Martha Dump Truck for me.
I don't talk to lard asses.
You used to.
Shut up!
Come on, Ram.
She'll turn my muscles into fat.
Fine, hurt into it.
Martha's had a thing for Ram for like 12 years now. This would kill her. Come on, Heather, you're bigger than this.
Are we gonna have a problem? You've come so far, why now are you pulling on my dick? I will slap your face off, and everyone here could watch.
But I'm feeling nice. Here's some advice. Listen up, bitch. Hot times, stop faking knots. Drinking hard, and dad's credit card. Skipping things, staring her, screwing him. Chemicals, kicking birds in the nose. If you lack the balls, you can go play dolls. Let your mommy fix you a snack. Or you could come smoke on some rum and coke in my pusher with a quarterback. Honey, what you waiting for? Welcome to my candy store. Time for you to prove you're not a loser anymore. Let's step into my candy store. Guys, come at your feet, baby champ. How can she all you have to do is say goodbye to Cheryl? That freak's not your friend, I can tell in the end. If she had a shot, she would leave you to rot. Of course, if you don't care, fine, then bring her here. 86 of B Street is on. Or forget that creep and get in my Jeep. Let's go tear up someone's alarm. Honey, what you waiting for? Welcome to my candy store. You just gotta prove you're not a pussy anymore. Then step into my candy store. You can join the team, or you can bitch and roll. You can live the dream, or you can die alone. You can fly with eagles, or if you prefer, keep on testing me and not like her.
Veronica, look! Ram invited me to his homecoming party, see? I told you there was still something there. This proves he's been thinking about me.
Color me stoked.
I'm so happy!
What you waiting for?
Shut up, Heather! Step into my
Step into my candy store. It's my candy store. It's my candy. It's my candy store. It's my candy. It's my candy store. It's my candy store.
You shouldn't have bowed down to the swatch dogs and the diet cokeheads. They're gonna crush that girl.
I'm sorry, what?
Well, you've clearly got a soul, and you just need to work a bit hard at keeping it clean. All born March 8th.
Okay, don't quote Baudelaire at me and then walk away. Excuse me, I didn't catch your name.
Well, I didn't throw it.
What does that guy in the jacket think he is anyways?
Bo diddly.
Well, Veronica's into his act noked out. Let's kick his ass.
We're seniors, man. Too old for this.
Hey, sweetheart, what did your boyfriend say when you told him you were moving to Sherwood, Ohio? Huh?
could ask you a question.
Hey, Ram, doesn't this cafeteria have a no fags allowed rule?
Now, I don't know what your problem is, but I'll bet it's really hard for you to pronounce.
Hold these horns!
Why, when you see boys fight, does it look so horrible yet feel so wrong? I shouldn't watch this crap. That's not who I am, but with this kid, damn. Hey, Mr. No-Name Kid, so who might you be? And could you fight for me? Hey, could you face the crowd? Could you be seen with me and still act proud? Could you hold my hand? And could you carry me through no man's land? It's fine if you don't agree, but I would fight for you if you would fight for me. Can punch real good. You've lasted longer than I thought you would. So hey, Mr. No-Name Kid, it's so glad you're free. Wanna fight for
Those were some cheap shots.
I'm missing a ball!
No, you're not.
No, seriously, I think he kicked it out my butt or something.
It's probably impacted. Just plug your nose and push.
Okay, there it is.
Sweet.
Your mouth was hanging wide open.
No, it wasn't.
I mean, seriously, Veronica, droll much? It was nothing like that. Now, come on, admit it. You like the new kid.
I don't even know his name.
You were totally throwing your panties at him.
Talking to my friends.
Sorry, Heather. Mom, Dad, look out!
Here you go, girls. Care for some pate?
This isn't pate, it's liverwurst.
I am aware of that, Heather. It's a family joke.
Funny.
Doggone it, will somebody please tell me why I read these spy novels?
So you're an idiot, Dad.
Oh yeah, that's it.
You too. Oh, so, girls, any plans for tonight?
Big homecoming party at Ram Sweeney's house and catching a ride with Heather.
Speaking of which,
Right. Great pate, Mom, but leave to motor if we want to be ready for that party.
Oops. Clean that right now. Do I look like the maid? Really, Veronica? Your mom is hilarious. I forbid you to go anywhere with that girl.
Mom!
She has no respect for anything.
I know what she is, what they all are, but they'll get me safely through high school. I'm not going to change, I promise. Can I go? Thank you.
What the hell goes on at that school?
I do not want to know.
So step into my candy store. It's my candy store. It's my candy. It's my candy store. It's my candy. It's my candy store. It's my candy store. Don't forget to buy corn nuts. It's not a party without corn nuts.
Yes, Heather! Play your BQ!
Greetings and salutations. You want a circle with that?
No, but if you're nice, I'll let you buy me a big gulp.
Well, that's like going to Mickey D's to order a salad. Slurpee's the signature dish of the house. Now, did you say cherry or lime?
I said big gulp. I'm Veronica, by the way. Veronica Sawyer. You, ever gonna tell me your name?
All in the suspense. Jason Dean. JD for short.
So, Katie, that thing you pulled in the calf was pretty severe.
Yeah, well, the extreme always seems to make an impression.
So what brings a bootleg quoting badass like you to Sherwood, Ohio?
My dad's work. He owns a deconstruction company.
Deconstruction?
Yep, the old man seems to enjoy tearing things down. Hey, have you seen the commercial? I'm Big Blood Dean. If it's in your way, make your day.
Right, then he pushes the plunger and the whole screen blows up. That's your dad?
And all his toxic glory.
Well, everyone's life's got static. Example, I don't really like my friends.
I don't really like your friends either. Hey, back the party. Hang here.
At the 7-Eleven? Swanky first day.
Hey, I love this place.
No offense, but why?
I've been through 10 high schools. They start to get blurry. No point planning roots, cause you're gone in a hurry. My dad keeps 2 suitcases packed in the den, so it's only a matter of when. I don't learn the names, don't bother the faces. All I can trust is this concrete oasis. Seems every time I'm about to despair, there's a 7-Eleven right there. Each store is the same, from Las Vegas to Boston. The lonely old miles that I love to get lost in. I pray in my altar of slush. Yeah, I live for that sweet frozen rush. Freeze your brain, suck on that straw, get lost in the pain. Happiness comes when everything numbs. Who needs cocaine? Freeze your brain, freeze your brain. You care for it?
Does your mommy know you eat all that crap?
Not anymore. When Mom was alive, we lived now it's just me and my dad. We're less formal. I learned to cook pasta. I learned to pay rent. Learn the world doesn't owe you a cent. You're planning your future. Veronica Sawyer. You'll go to some college and marry a lawyer. But the sky's gonna hurt when it falls. So you better start building some walls. Freeze your brain. Swim in the ice. Get lost in the pain. Shut your eyes tight till you vanish from sight. Let nothing remain. freeze your brain, freeze your brain, go on and freeze your brain. Try it.
I don't see what the big deal is. Oh, son of a bitch!
Veronica!
I gotta go.
So I see.
Corn nuts?
Yes, Heather.
Don't you have a Marcy concert to get to?
Come on, Veronica!
Okay, Ram, have fun tonight, but I expect it to act your age. The Hendersons have the phone number for the cabin. If they call to complain, I'll drive back down here and knock the sand out your diapers.
Dude, what am I, 5?
I'm your dad, not your dude.
That goes double for you, Kurt. You're a guest in Bill's house, and you will treat it with respect.
Sure thing, dude.
Hold his arms. Who's a bright big sissy? Who's going to prom in a bright pink dress? Who's a sissy?
Baby, I'm a big princess, I'm a big princess.
All right. Enjoy your party, son.
Punch it in.
Man, that sucks! Oh, man, who cares? The parents are gone, and I've got my party slippers on! Dad says at your age, you heard the man, it's time to rain.
As the bass turn out the light, ain't nobody home tonight.
Drink, smoke, it's all cool. Let's get naked in my pool.
Touch the wall and start a fight, ain't nobody home tonight.
His phone's got a water bed. Come upstairs and rest your head. Let's rub each other's backs while watching porn on Cinemax.
The books are gone.
It's like a big fun.
Big fun.
I'll sing a song. Having some big fun.
Big fun.
Mom and Dad forget to lock the liquor cabinet. It's big fun.
Big fun. Big fun. Woo! So, insult and shop in line. Very important to get the order right. Woo! You're a natural, just like my mom.
Hey, Veronica, you're looking good tonight.
Whoa! A hot guy smiled at me without a trace of mockery.
Great and please, I'm alright. Veronica is hot tonight.
Freaked, tweet, heads a blur. How did I get so popular?
Don't get close, you might ignite. Veronica is hot tonight.
Dreams are coming true when people laugh, but none of you. I'm not alone, I'm not afraid. I feel like fun out of my bed.
The house is ours. It's time for big fun. Big fun. Just get showers of open uppercase.
I think that's what they call her base.
Big fun. Big fun.
I'm actually having
Big fun. Big fun. Big fun.
Rottweilers! What is West Orange going to do with the Razorback in Sunday's game?
Gonna make you all
The party's hot, hot, hot. It's time for big fun. Big fun.
Who need a toe shot?
We're having big fun. Big fun. Mark the dump truck in the flesh.
Here comes a cootie squad. We should.
Shut up, Heather.
Sorry, Heather.
Look who's with her. Oh my god. Dang, dang, diggity, dang, dang. Dang, dang, diggity, dang, dang.
Can't believe you actually came.
It's exciting, right? Oh, excuse me. I gotta say hello to right now, my raw sparkling cider. Showing up here took some guts. Time to rip them out.
Well, who's this pick from Mike especially the snack?
Ha! Dang, dang, diggity, dang, dang. Dang, dang, diggity, dang, dang.
Hi, Ram. I wasn't gonna come, but since you took the trouble to write that sweet note.
What note? the time. People wouldn't hate you so much if you acted normal. There's no alcohol in this. Are you trying to poison me?
It's time to celebrate our upcoming victory over the Razorbacks by whacking apart their mascot.
We need a volunteer to take the first swing at the pinata.
Martha Donstock. I think you should do the honors.
I don't really know this game.
Well, let's show this girl some Westerberg spirit. Martha!
Martha! Martha! Martha! Martha! Martha!
Swing on the pinata!
What is your damage, Heather? Come on, give it to me. Come on, go, come on, this is not better. You want it? Swim for it.
What's going on? Go home. I'll explain later, but go! Well, we gave it a shot. I'm resigning my commission from the lip gloss Gestapo. Returning to civilian life. No! I'll let go of your mouth feeling well.
You don't get to be a nobody. Come on, Dave. You're an ex-somebody. Not even the losers will touch you now.
Transfer to Washington. Transfer to Jefferson.
No one at Westerberg's going to let you play their